In today's video, I want to show you how to record a vendor refund in 3 steps. Let's get started. Step number 1 is you want to do a vendor credit. Now, I have done a vendor credit here. To do a vendor credit, you want to go into your vendor and then click New Transaction, Vendor Credit. In the vendor credit, you want to put what the category is for. In this case, I got a refund from Cal Telephone. So I put telephone as my category and the amount. Step number 2, you want to record the deposit of the check that you received. Here's my deposit. To record a deposit, go into Create, Bank Deposit, enter the information. So you want to put here Cal Telephone. Now, I have already created that deposit. So it's right here, Cal Telephone. And in the account, I put accounts payable. The reason I put accounts payable is so I can link it to the vendor, Cal Telephone. Then you could put payment method, check, and you could put the check number here. And the amount is $50. So now we could see in the vendor, the deposit and the credit. Before we move on to the last step, let's take a look at the aging payable detail report. We could see that we have recorded the deposit and we have the vendor credit. Now, if we don't link these two, they will stay on this report and it will age forever. It will not be cleared out. So we have to tell QuickBooks that these two are connected to one another. And that's where the last and final step comes in. So we want to go to Create and we want to go to Pay Bills. Let's select our checking account, the date. We could put the refund. This is really not a bill payment. It's just to clear those two out. We want to select Cal Telephone. And as you can see, there has been a credit applied. And the payment is 0. Okay, the payment is 0. So let's schedule that payment. Let's save it. And now let's go and refresh our report. And as you can see, the deposit and the bill is no longer there. When we go to the vendor account, we could see the bill payment. We could see that the vendor credit has been applied to the deposit. And that's how you clear out this vendor credit. I hope that this has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos, tips, and tricks in troubleshooting. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.